Hey everyone, welcome back to the workshop. Artisan Pirate here, and in today's video I got a nice slideshow for you. This past Friday, October 25th, I went to the Hickory Metro Convention Center for the 19th annual Klingspor Woodworking Extravaganza. There were several vendors, exhibits, got to meet some of my friends and Sawdust up there. I got to meet and hang out with Izzy Swan, Steve Good of Scroll Saw Workshop, and Sterling Davis from Sterling's Woodcrafts. Amazing people. Everyone was so approachable. You could come up and talk to them about woodworking and what you like to do with woodworking. I took a bunch of pictures and I'm about to start the slideshow here in a second. It's going to be included in this video. I had an amazing time. Believe it or not, I've been in woodworking since I was 14 years old, and this was my very first woodworking show, and it blew my mind. I was very surprised at all the vendors and the hands-on activities where you could actually pick up a new tool or trade. They were selling top-of-the-line tools. I didn't pick up any because I basically had to go and run through because I had to be back home to Graham, North Carolina for a pirate gig. But I had an amazing time. I picked up this awesome Klingspor woodworking shirt with the Woodworking Extravaganza logo on it. I will leave links to all the feeds for the Woodworking Extravaganza down in the video description. But right now, I'm about to start the slideshow. But remember guys, if I can make it or do it, so can you. I'm the Artisan Pirate. Take care, and let's get the slideshow started.